Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine what version OS build you are running on your Windows 10 device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in run, so just R-U-N, best match to go back a run, go ahead and left click on that. In this open field, you want to go type in WINVER. Again, WINVER. So basically WinVer, so like Windows version, if you want to break it down. And then just go ahead and select OK. And here you go, guys. It should say what version of the operating system. So the major build is, in my case, 1909, and it has a specific OS build number as well. So pretty straightforward. Also tells you your operating system up at the top here too. So again, you should already know that, but you can see it's a Windows 10 device. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.